How to change incoming call screen on iPhone from banner to full screen. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the incoming call screen on your iPhone from a banner to a full-size display. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Phone option. Go ahead and tap on that. In the phone settings, look for the section labeled Incoming Calls. Now, tap on it. You'll see the option to switch it from banner to full screen. Select full screen to change the way incoming calls are displayed. By default, this is usually set to banner, which means calls will appear as a small banner at the top of your screen. You're all set. Now, when someone calls you, their name and photo will take up the entire screen, giving you a more immersive experience. Hopefully, that was helpful for you guys. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.